Welcome to our guide on Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 routers. Is your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router not showing up on your devices? The most common reason is that the SSID or network name is hidden. This is often a default security setting or can happen after a firmware update or power outage. Hiding the SSID prevents it from being broadcast, meaning devices won't see it in the list of available networks. Other potential causes include interference from neighboring networks, outdated router firmware, or even a glitch in Spectrum's system. We'll show you how to fix this. The fix is usually straightforward. First, access your router's admin panel by typing 192.1.1 into a web browser. The default login is often admin for both username and password. Navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings. Look for an option labeled Broadcast SSID or SSID Visibility. Make sure this is checked or enabled. Save your changes and restart your router. After it reboots, your network name should appear on your device's Wi-Fi lists. If this doesn't work, try resetting your router to factory defaults or contacting Spectrum support for assistance, as there may be a firmware issue or other underlying problem.